Thanks, Werner. So thank you, Werner, and good morning, everybody, both here in the other room and on the live stream. So it's exciting to be here and share a little bit of some of our experiences in partnership with Amazon Web Services. So at Expedia Group and Hotels.com, we're all about travel, taking everyone in the world from somewhere to somewhere by pretty much any means and having a great stay for whatever purpose your travel is for. But there's an extra secret we have, which is we're all about technology, machine learning, and AI. Increasingly, we see a goal where all of our decisions are powered by machine learning, and the architecture has to be solid and secure underneath that. Our scale is immense. The only way we can efficiently operate is to use machine learning on top of the underlying strong foundation of data. Data is the rich oil that can power all of these services, both now and in the future. For example, we make use of SageMaker. We're using some of those AI services, amongst many other technologies. So this is me, age 3.5. I want to share a little observation. So it feels like, if you remember when you were that age, you were curious, adventurous. You tested, you experimented, you found out, you pushed the boundaries. And I feel that whilst data science, machine learning has moved out of the baby phase and the crawling phase, we're now in the moment where we've been really curious and really pushing the boundaries and being adventurous, which makes things very exciting. But often, it can feel challenging. There are no landmarks. These are the Bolivian salt flats, where we're trying to get to the horizon, but we can't find the right way. It's really important to experiment and test out that way. And our technology sits on top of the AWS cloud platform, where we really can experiment with lots of different technologies, lots of different approaches. And that's accelerated both our benefits for us, but most importantly, our customers and our partners. So I wanted to share a little use case that we're now, and our customers, if you're using our websites, will be experiencing today. We have tens of millions of text reviews from our customers who have stayed in those properties. But I think there's an old adage that a picture can tell 1,000 words. We also have over tens of millions of photos from our partners, our hoteliers around the world, and property and vacation rental owners. We also have them from our customers who've stayed in those properties. And that scale of really understanding what is in those images, how to make sure they're high quality, they're aesthetically optimal for our customers, and most importantly, they're the relevant ones to help you make a stay. The majority of our customers are using smartphones, where that bandwidth and screen real estate is an absolute premium. To do this, we've built some very innovative algorithms on top of initially the P2 instance family, and now, and you saw from Werner's slide, the P3 instance family has given us an extra boost in performance at a lower cost point. For example, we now use the equivalent of 30,000 laptops to create these algorithms at scale. But that is only half the solution. The other part of the solution is how do we get this in front of our customers? And this is where both DynamoDB and increasingly DAX are allowing us to get sub-millisecond performance for our customers. And that's vital if you're going to make this become part of your business strategy going forwards. For example, here's a particular property on our site, potentially some useful photos. But if you're staying in this property, say for a weekend break, then this might be a more attractive capability for you to really feel this is the right property for you, where there's the key feature of the swimming pool. So let me share a little bit why this is really important. The first thing is for our customers, where strong accuracy is vital if customers are going to believe and trust what you're doing and continue to use your site time and time again. And that's where years of R&D on top of the Amazon platform have really helped us figure out and beat most of the best-in-class models out there. We now have 99+% accuracy. That level is vital to power our customers' use cases. The second thing we have done, it's been a sort of magical partnership, I would call it, is where the cost to this really per use has plummeted. To build this technology on-premise would cost over 7 figures of investment. We can now run this at 5 figures per run. And that's created something even more magical. It's allowed us to be curious. Back to the days when we were toddlers, 3 and 4 again. That curiosity has powered our teams, our engineers, our data scientists, and our technical marketers to think of new use cases, to think of new opportunities, to put this technology to great use. And that is really thriving a great ecosystem within our business and building our muscle for the future. So, thank you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day in the summit and appreciate the time. Thank you very much.